Hello people, how you going today? This is Glenn from Gourmet Coins and Banknotes, and today I have this Brazilian 40 reis. Now the reis was the currency issued before 1944 when they were exchanged, I think about 1,000 to 1 for the Cruzeiro. And this is actually based on Portuguese currency who also issued reis. Anyway, this coin is a large coin. It's actually one of the largest issued by Portugal, and look at it, it's just great big coin. If I put one of the largest modern coins, the Australian 50-cent coin, look, it's bigger than any coins today. That's because now we've because you have these fiat currencies, these base metal coins as well. We can make coins any size we want, and it doesn't have to be the metal value in the coin. Anyway, so this coin was first minted by what's his name? Petrus II. So here's his name there, Petrus II. Has the Gratia Constant Imperial et Brazil Defender, and it has the date. So this one is 1831, and it has R for Rio de Janeiro. So this one was stamped. Actually, this one was first issued as an 80 reis, and it was hand stamped 40 to standardize the currency across Brazil, because at this time Brazil had different currency systems throughout the country, and in 1835, which was the year this was stamped, they were all standardized. So at the time, roughly around the time 1831, and before, there were actually different coins for the 80 reis. So there was one issue between 1823 and 1831, which was issued in Rio de Janeiro and Bahia, which had a weight of 28.69 grams. This coin here is 28.69. This coin here is 26. And there was another silver coin, 2.424 grams, issued in Rio de Janeiro. There's a third coin of 19.11 grams, and that was issued between 1825 and 1829. There's a fourth coin issued in Goiás of 14.34 grams, issued between 1826 and 1831. And there's, this coin which is 26 grams. So across the country, they're all different weights for the same denomination. So if you have a look at the reverse, that's the coat of arms of Brazil. It has Int Hoc Signal Vinces. So I'm not too sure what that means. And you can see here, this is not caused by wear. This part is caused by wear. This part is caused by the stamping of the coins. Actually flatten the. This will be the obverse image. And if we have a look at the sides, you can see how it's a little bit concave and convex. Depends which side you look at it. Now, the security features on this, as you can see, the milling on the coin. Let's see if I can get a better image. I quite like this coin because of the security edge. And another thing of this coin is that it is clipped. As you can see here, this is a clip planchet. So when these were actually being stamped out, there would have been an overlap. So the next clipping happened like that. So it took a bit of the metal for the next coin itself. Get rid of that 50 cent. These are They're quite common on eBay. You can pick them up for probably $20 each. This is in lower grade, probably fine condition. That's what I think. Some people probably think it's a very good condition or high grade fine. Yeah, but it is just a lovely coin to have in hand, and a lot bigger than actually what I thought it would be. I always think coins are smaller than what they actually are. It's just the way I am. So thank you for watching this video. I'll leave a link down below if you want to buy any of these coins. Have an awesome coin collecting day.